Want to turn simple text into stunning designs? In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step font tips and tricks using Font Studio and Blend Image Perfect for beginners and designers. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to your apps and search for Font Studio and select this logo. Once you open the app, you'll see a variety of font styles and designs you can choose from. After selecting a style, just click on it and type your desired word in the text box. After that, you can also choose your font style. You can adjust the letter spacing and line spacing, especially if you're working with 2 lines of text. Step 2. On the right side, click Letter Fill. Here, you can choose a color, gradient, or even an image to make your design more eye-catching. Just click Choose File, then select the image you want to place inside your text. Once you're satisfied, click Add to Design, and it will automatically appear on your editing page. Step 3. I simply added a background, and I used the same image that I placed inside my text so they blend well together. Go to Position to arrange your layers properly. Just align the background image with your Font Studio text. And there you go. Super easy, right? No hassle at all. Now, let's move on to the next technique, which is Blend Image. But before we continue, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Now, this next tip will teach you how to use the Blend Image feature. Step 1. Go to Text, then choose only one letter. Select a font that is bold or thick. The font I used is Archivo Black. Step 2. Go to Elements and search for Black Gradient. Click See All to explore more options. There are plenty of free graphics you can use. If your element is in landscape mode, just rotate it like this. Then resize it and place it on the left side of your text. Click Share, then download it. After that, select it and delete it. Step 3. Go to Uploads and click the file you downloaded. Resize it again. Crop the right side going to the left. Then click Duplicate. Restore the previous crop and this time crop from the left going to the right side. Step 4. Click the gradient element, then go to Apps and find Slice. Choose the minced slice effect. Here, you can adjust the offset, count, and position. Once you're satisfied with the sliced effect, click Save at the bottom. Then download it again. After that, select and delete it. Step 5. Upload the file you downloaded back into your editing page. Then resize it again. Also upload the image that you want to blend into your letter. Step 6. Go to Apps, search for Blend Image, and click this logo, then click Open. Make sure to select your text as the top layer or click Use Selected Image. Then select your image as the bottom layer. For the final step, click Blend Mode, then choose Screen Mode and click Add to Design. And there you have it. Just by following these simple steps, you can already create a stunning design. If you want more Canva tutorials like this, click my next video.